Guys, this is a roundabout here at World Bank Concord area. You see, this one now going to Port Harcourt roadside. You can follow, and this is how this view side is. You can see the beauty of this World Bank. Very beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. So I came to make the coverage, guys, and I know that you guys will love this video. Many have been telling me to come and make this video, guys, but today is the day I have the chance to come and make this video, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Please make sure you do watch my video. This is the roundabout here. It's the roundabout here. I'll be going down to the other side. Going down to the other side. So, not going inside the World Bank area, the beauty of Imo State that everybody wants to see. The beauty of Imo State. I love this gardens area. You can see, this is gardens area. You can see. You can see. So guys, I have entered the World Bank area now to see how this area look like. The beauty of this place is top notch and everybody will love to see it. So don't go nowhere. I'll be bringing you every corner of this World Bank, the beauty, everything. Don't go anywhere, guys. I'm going to Concord. I'm going down to Concord, Commissioner's quarters. So, and everywhere is beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. So this is Commissioner's quarters. You can see the beauty of these areas and how it looks like. My camera is kind of bad.